Hello, kids! Today, let's explore our cozy home and learn English with fun. Living room. The living room is where the whole family spends time together. We talk, watch TV, and relax here. Let's see what items we can find in the living room. Television. 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 Sofa. 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 Chair. 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 Table. 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 Clock. 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 Kitchen. The kitchen is where we prepare yummy meals. Eating healthy food helps us stay strong every day. What useful things are in the kitchen? Let's find out. Fridge. 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 Stove. 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 Spoon. 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 Cup. 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 Pot. 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 Plate. 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 Bathroom. The bathroom is where we clean our body. Keeping clean helps us stay fresh and avoid getting sick. Let's learn the names of bathroom items. Bathtub. 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 Towel. 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 Toothbrush. 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 Soap. 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 Toilet. 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 Bedroom. The bedroom is where we sleep and rest. A good night's sleep helps us grow strong and stay healthy. Let's learn what's inside the bedroom. Bed. 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 Pillow. 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 Blanket. 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 Wardrobe. 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 Mattress. 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 Lamp. 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 Great job! You've learned so many new words today. Let's say them again together. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning, because more awesome lessons are waiting for you every week. See you again, language stars. Bye-bye.